Hello YouTube. I'm going to unbox the Glorious Model O mouse today. I ordered it a couple weeks ago and it has just gotten here today. It took a while, of course, because it was back ordered at the time. If you're watching this, you probably know that it's been getting rave reviews, and for only $50-$60, I should say $50/$60, depending which one you want, it's supposed to be pretty much the best mouse out there. So I'm always a little skeptical of the hype here, so let's just take a look for ourselves. Alright, Glorious PC Gaming Race, which is not really a name I would like to say to people, you know? It sounds a little white supremacist-y, to be honest with you. I remember a moment like that in a college class or whatever, when someone was like PC Master Race, and I could have sworn a couple people around me were like, what did that guy just say? I was like, oh, I don't know that guy. I didn't know the guy, but let's take a look. Extremely lightweight gaming mouse, Ascended Cord, G-Skates mouse feet. So I know that's a big draw of the mouse, 67 grams as advertised right up front there. So I think the mouse I have now is like 112-ish. So we're talking, almost half off the weight of common gaming mice. I think it's got a good braided cable or something along those lines. And it's got the G-Skates, which are basically like the, basically Glorious's versions of the O-Glides? What do you call those things? I don't know. I'll put in this. I know what it is. I forget the name right now on camera. Oh, it's got the specs on the back here. See. Pixar PMW3360 sensor. Not 100% sure what that is. On-raw mechanical rated for 20 million clicks. 6 buttons. Which is good, because the one I have right now does not have the on-the-fly sensitivity adjuster, which I honestly can't believe that was a choice that they made, but this one does have the on-the-fly sensitivity adjuster, so I will definitely be using that in like Apex Legends. Dedicated DPI indicator, remountable DPI, LED color. Oh, it comes with a 2-year warranty as well. I wonder how thorough that is. That's a long warranty for a mouse. Okay, matte white. Never had a white mouse, thought I'd check it out. Every time I ever want white of anything, people are always like, it's gonna get dirty, it's gonna show it dirty. It's called clean it, man. Clean your damn mouse. Clean your life. Let's see, let's read the little blurb, and then we'll open it up. I know it's been forever. This is Model O, the lightest RGB gaming mouse ever created, envisioned by a community of passionate gamers and developed by a team who accepts nothing less than perfection. Model O will elevate your play to unimaginable heights. Well, I don't know about that. Built for speed, control, and comfort, we packed a full suite of ultra-premium features into an impossibly lightweight, ambidextrous frame. Our innovative Ascended Cord provides unhindered flexibility, and G-Skates mouse feet will glide over your pad like blades on ice. Welcome to this little competitive eSport gaming. Prepare for ascension. Alright, let's, I got one hand, so I'll be right back. Can't open it like that, one hand. There she is. Yeah, I can feel it. That's light. It's definitely light. This is very light. It is so light that I don't even know if I like it. I'll have to play a game with it. I think I do like it. I like it. I'm liking the shape as well. Let's take a look at the profile. That looks pretty good, I gotta say. I don't know about the goofy Odin or whomever on the side, but that looks good. I like the less pronounced hump. I really don't like having to kind of curve my hand to fully grip the mouse. 180 that. I mean, it says ambidextrous, but like the side buttons are still on the left, so I can't do anything about that. But I mean, other than that, it doesn't really. Yeah, it looks. Yeah, it's ambidextrous. Doesn't really favor one hand or the other than the whole side buttons thing. But I'm sure you lefties can live with that, right? Or no? You tell me. The Glorious Legion. Damn, I love how they sound so much like a cult the more and more I read. Well, let's take this upstairs and let's play a game.